mother. Can I do the drum now? What are you cooking, anak? Egg? Oh, hot dog. No, you have to be in the kitchen, anak.
Doon ka sa bahay mo.
Paiba-iba naman ang pwesto eh.
Mamaya, pag natapon na, wala na.
Mahal-mahal pa. Okay, feed grandma now. Subo.
Doon mo na ilagay, anong ka gagawa ng ano?
Subo mo si grandma. Tell grandma, subo. Subo mo na si grandma Is Bestie gonna food? Is that Bestie? Bakit nagkalat na naman? Ay, tut.
Ano?
Oh, eat now, Bestie. Diyan na naman tayo. Saan na naman?
Kain na sila eh.
Ilagay mo na yung walang... Oo, Bestie. Magsalita din na, kunyari magsalita na. Where are you, mommy? Where are you, mommy? We're hungry now. Can you feed us, mommy? I want chicken nugget, mommy. Ask grandma, where's chicken nugget, mommy? I want chicken nugget. I only want chicken nugget.
Okay, you gonna want this?
No, chicken nugget only.
No, he want this. I want egg and cheese and this.
I want chicken nugget and I want cheeseburger.
Yeah. Okay, it's good.
Mommy, I want cheeseburger.
Chicken nugget?
And cheeseburger.
Okay.
Di ba yun lang gusto niyang kainin? Cheeseburger only. Di ba yun?
Cheeseburger. You want cheeseburger?
Oh, yeah.
Here's a cheeseburger.
Thank you, mommy.
I want cheeseburger. You?
Ganon sumigaw? Ganon ba sumisigaw?
Here's your cheeseburger.
Oh, thank
I
you.
want cheeseburger too.
Okay. Thank you, mommy. Mommy, can we have iPad while eating cheeseburger?
Yes.
Can we have iPad? Mag-iPad din daw sila, mag-iPad.
You iPod.
Saan yung iPad?
You iPod. They want you iPod.
Mag-iPad din sila. Nick! What happened?
You iPod.
Oh, I like your hair like that, Jelana. Ask grandma to fix your hair like your bestie.
Pakita to natin daw. You like this one and that one, okay?
And this one too, Jelana. See, ganito ni. You have the same hair. Mommy, what you doing? You tired? Tiktilaok. Wala pala dito tiktilaok. Tiktilaok. Hindi niya alam. Tiktilaok.
I got your tire appointment like in a couple weeks.
Oh, nice. Tiktilaok. Hi, bestie. We have to wait for your... Ate Dong brought you a package, bestie. Are you excited, bestie?
Yeah.
That the doll, they only want cheeseburger and chicken nugget. The doll. They only eat cheese...
I know they like tacos, Jelana.
No, they only eat... Oh! Wala. They only... Jelana, you be nice with your bestie. Jelana?
Wala na naman. Mamaya, iiyak.
Jelana, you be nice with your bestie, anak. Oh, do you... Have daddy try the drum then? Tongue drum. Can you give this to daddy? Give it to dad, anak. So he can practice. Okay, give it to daddy.